So what are some of the internet marketing methods that you can employ outside of social media? Well, generally, the traditional advertising model on the internet would be to purchase advertising space on a popular website. Okay, so you have a website with a certain number of users of a given type or demographic that you're looking to market to, and you purchase physical space on that site. Now, in some cases, you can purchase rotating ads or banners or things like that, things that link back to sales opportunities or videos or inlays or things like that on their website. So there's all sorts of website space that you can purchase. Other methods would be a pay-per-click method, which means when individuals click on your advertisement on a given site or search engine, then you're charged at that point in time. And that's the method primarily that search engines like Bing, Yahoo, and Google, and even Facebook now use. You can advertise in the side margins of their websites or their search engine screens, and when individuals click on that, you're charged a given amount based on whatever pricing characteristics that they employ at that time. So if you agree to pay $1 every time someone clicks your ad there, you'll have some level of priority as to where your ad appears on their website. And again, you'll only be charged if individuals click on it. So that's the pay-per-click method, as opposed to purchasing physical space itself on the website or simply paying for that to always be there. Another method would be for you to create your own website and you to employ methods to make that website more popular, easier to find in search engines. So when somebody goes to Bing or Google or Yahoo, they simply type into the search box these, whatever words that are relevant to your business. Those search terms bring back a list of results. The more popular your business is, the better optimized it is for search results, the more likely it is to come up higher in the search ranks. Well, individuals are predisposed to look at the first few results and then research again after that. They don't generally scroll down very frequently, and they almost never go to the next page. So as they say, if you're not on the first page of the search results, and the biggest one is obviously Google, if you're not on the first page of Google and high up in the results, then you're not likely to be found by the customer. So the efforts that you can undertake to do that are incredible. And then all your social media aspects, that's basically using all of the social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other methods to create a word of mouth. Basically, individual users of those social media channels respread your message to their connections, so you're creating exponential growth via word of mouth through these channels, so that you can reach a large number of people. Okay, now, so let's talk for a second about ways to do that. So if you're going to build a website, you're going to want to optimize it for search engine results. So there's all types of methods of laying out and designing your website to get the right word count in there, to have new and updated changing materials, and in and outbound links to websites. Basically, other websites link to your website because it's a good source of information for whatever they're putting on their website, and vice versa. So if you were to link to the New York Times and they link back to you, all of a sudden the web crawlers that rank search engine priority in the search results start to think that you are a popular website that people should see because of your association with a very popular website, the New York Times website, for example. And that's how search engines generally seek to return search results for individuals typing words into Google, Bing, or Yahoo. They're looking for keywords, the number of times that word appears on your website page, and where it appears. Is it in the heading? Is it in the body? Are there pictures on the page that have similar titles to it that match these search terms? And then the popularity of your website, basically who's linked to it, and vice versa, who have you linked to. Most importantly, however, how many people have linked to you. So lots of times there are services out there that can help you get other websites to link to your material. Okay, and then on the pay-per-click model, you'll simply have to evaluate the sites that are most likely to attract the type of customer or the customer segments that you're looking to advertise to, and then you'll model an advertisement to appear for them, and you'll have to gauge what you believe it's worth for those customers to see your brand advertised, and the frequency with which they'll click on it versus the frequency with which they'll buy. So you'll be able to make the determination of whether that's within the value proposition for your business to pay a given amount each time someone clicks on the ads and stuff. So those are the general new age methods through social media, word of mouth, through pay-per-click advertising, through purchasing website ads, or raising the popularity of your website through search engine optimization.